Western music is a musical system universally accepted by people all around the world. The main reason for this acceptance is the notation system used in Western music. This system has become extremely popular, and therefore, when learning or studying Western music, special attention must be given to understanding this notation method. The Western music notation system is internationally recognized and can be used by all nations regardless of language differences. Because of this universal adaptability, it serves as a bridge connecting people across the world through music. Musical notes, just as different materials, are used to create various things. Sound can be considered the raw material used to create music. Sound can be broadly divided into two categories. 1. Musical sounds, nada. 2. Non-musical sounds, noise or gosha, in music. Nada, musical sound, is used as the basic element to form notes. However, there are occasions where non-musical sounds, noise, are also incorporated in music for effect. In Western music, letters of the Roman alphabet are used to represent notes. These are A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, a total of 7 letters. These represent the natural notes. However, notes can also be modified by raising or lowering their pitch. Raising a note creates a sharp sound. Lowering a note creates a flat sound when naming these altered notes. The corresponding letter name is combined with the word sharp or flat. In different musical traditions, these notes are known by different names. Tradition note names: Eastern, Indian, SA, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, DHA, Ni, Western C, D, E, F, G, A, B, Latin Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Ti. In Western music, the 7 basic notes C, D, E, F, G, A, B repeat continuously. For example, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and so on. Each time the sequence repeats, the pitch of the note becomes higher. That is, it increases 2-fold, 3-fold, or 4-fold, creating higher, sharper tones. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget subscribe, like and share video.